Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to cover a very important part to learn any language. If you want to learn or speak English, you should definitely learn this important topic. And the topic is sentence. Yes, today we're gonna discuss about sentences and its type because without sentences we can't speak English. Let's dive into it. Okay, tell me, whenever you communicate with your friends and family, how you communicate with all those? Now your answer will be in form of sentences, right? Because without sentence we can't express our thoughts or ideas. Whenever we communicate to each other, those all are sentences. Without sentences we can't express our thoughts in a better way. So sentences play a very important role to communicate each other. Let's talk about the meaning of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that express a complete sense, and it contains subject and predicate. So, what is subject basically? Who or what the sentence is about is subject, and information about the subject is predicate. Let's take an example. They study. So in this example, they is subject and a study is predicate. Let's take some more examples. She runs. They study. He reads book. She plays the guitar. The weather is nice. He seems happy. I like coffee. So, in all these sentences, we represent subject and predicate. I hope it's clear. Who is there? Oh god, one sick driver is there. Anyways, let's come back on the topic. So, I hope it's clear now what is sentence and what is subject and predicate. I hope you understand all the examples very clearly. Now, we are talk about kinds of sentences. There are 5 kinds of sentences and I'll explain all the parts in next lesson. Until then, you have to focus on sentences only because I don't want to make burden for you guys. How to make good sentences, you have to focus on it, okay? And now it's turn to your homework. And the homework is this picture. You have to take a look of the picture and try to make 5 easy sentences, okay? Try to make sentences. You will definitely beat it. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Keep learning.